Welcome to the week of April 20th through 24th. On Monday, we will start with another IXL. It's 0.4, words with re. Most of you did really well with the words with pre last week. Prefixes, again, just go to the beginning of a word. Please remember in IXLs, you can read through the information on the reteaching page, and it'll give you a good rundown. If you feel like you would benefit from me creating a video, I'd be happy to do that. Or if any of you are struggling on an IXL and would like to have help with it, you can sign in during my web conferencing time, which is listed up here. Weekdays from 10 to 11 is my normal time, or you can set an appointment with me by email to do it at a different time. You'll just click here on meet.google. You'll have to let the computer use your video and audio to make that work, but you can actually share your computer screen with me, and I can talk you through a few of those questions, just as if we were in the classroom and I came over to help you. So I would be happy to help you through any of those if you have problems. On Tuesday, we have another article in Common Lit. This is what the flu does to your body and why it makes you feel so awful. So make sure you read through that well and then answer the questions. Anybody who gets less than a 70% on those, I'm recording the score so you get credit for whatever you did get, but I'm then unsubmitting those. And if you got a bad score, I would love for you to go back over it. If you need help, I am setting up some webinars. A webinar means a meeting on the internet at specific times, and if you sign in at the time that's scheduled, then you and anybody else who needs help on that can be there. We can talk through it together. I have webinars scheduled, one for tomorrow. I hope some of you get this before then, on the most dangerous game. I had quite a few kids who didn't do that one and a few who did it and really struggled with it, maybe didn't understand the questions very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in as a student myself on that and read through it and talk through all of the guided reading questions that happen as we go. I really love this story, and I hope that you understand it well enough from reading it to get the benefit of it. Short stories are a great genre that I quite enjoy. So I will help you through that if you need any help with that. I'll record that and post it, but it'll be a lot better if you're there to participate in the discussion. On Friday, anticipating the idea that we might need some people to do it, on Friday at 11 a.m. I'll do the same thing with the flu article that we're reading this week. Back to this week again. On Wednesday we'll have IXL II3. So this is a summary of what we've done the previous 2 Wednesdays. So I'm not going to create a new video for that unless you feel like you would benefit from it. Let me know if you want me to. But basically it's just practicing those 2 skills and deciding whether we're going to use a semicolon, a colon, or a comma in that sentence, or more than one comma. And then on April 23rd, on Thursday, we'll have the discussion board for what the flu does to your body. Now remember on that one, I've got a few kids who aren't remembering to respond to classmates, and the response should be something more than just, I agree with you, or I like the way you said that. I want you to have something with substance. Maybe if there's something that you disagree with, tell, well, I agree with this part, but I'm not sure on this part, and really make it a discussion. So you get 3 points for writing a decent response to yourself, and then the other 2 points are for responding to classmates. So I had a student email me and say, why did I get a bad score on that? And it was just because they hadn't responded to classmates. So please remember that part. Hope you have a great week. I think I just wanted to make a big deal about those webinars. If you need help, I would love to help you. If there's anything else I can help you with, I'm at my computer most of the day from 9 to 3, just hoping I'll have a chance to actually teach a student. So chime in if you would like. If I'm not right there, then email me, and I'm checking my email frequently through the day, and tell me what time you'd like to meet up on the internet. So anyway, have a great week. Hope you're being healthy and happy, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.